Hello everybody. Good morning. My name is Mohammad Asif and I am the student of ISL Engineering College affiliated to Osmania University, and I am the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. A project seminar on a smart alert system for women's safety using IoT and Raspberry Pi techniques. Introduction. In the existing situations, women keep up with the men throughout all walks of life, but at the determinant of being victimized, harassment, public abusive behavior, or even at their own homes. They cannot return to their homes at any time of the day, can't wear outfits as they want, but they could not even go to work in peace. There is some kind of restrictions that women are subjected to, which not only their sense of freedoms but also their belief and acceptances are destroyed. This project focus on women's safety in networks that is exactly built to provide women with safety and security. It's quite very clear from the reasons mentions that there is a growing need for women's defense in the country. Abstract. Today in the outgoing universal sentence, the first and foremost questions in every girl's mind, considering the ever built of circumstance or women's molestations in present times is mostly about their safety and security. This device is extremely portable and can be triggered by the victims being assaulted by just clicking the button to capture the assault's image via the Raspberry Pi camera. Location will be sent using the GSM module to predefined emergency contact numbers or the police, and the capture image will be forwarded to predefined email. Block diagram. In the block diagram, Raspberry Pi 0, push button N, Pi camera, chili powder spray, GSM SIM 9000A, GPS receiver, releaser, motor L293D, buzzer. Hardware components are push button, power supply, GSM SIM 9000A, GSM receiver, Raspberry Pi 3B, Pi camera, motor L293D, chili powder spray, and buzzer. Software used. In this system, Python software is used to program the microcontrollers. Python programming is similar to C programming. Working procedure. The above block diagrams believe that as the user press the button, buzzer is start ringing the buzzer is start ringing and Raspberry Pi camera start the capture the video and pictures that will store on Raspberry Pi 0, through which the GSM module will able to send live locations for every 5 minutes with the help of GSM module. As the LM293D motor rotate 45 degree and press chili powder spray is released for self-defense of victim. Conclusion. Existing systems are not powerful enough to prevent crimes against women. Main purpose of the systems is fast process, low cost of development, acceptable quality, accurate tracking. And for GPS location, it need to be connected with the smartphones. Future scope and discussions. This device can be attached through smartphones, mobiles, and laptops. According to the latest technology on women's safety, we can use paper spray for the safety of girls, teenagers. It can also be achieved in the wireless model. It can be very handy in nature. We use nanotechnology to combine all the components and functions of the device can be accomplished in a single device. Thanks for watching.